Okay, let's be real for a second. ClickUp Clips had one massive problem that made me question whether I could actually recommend it to replace Loom. You'd record your clip, share it with your team or your client, and then poof, where did the link go? It was like watching your brilliance disappear in the digital void. We already have too much digital clutter going on. Having to remember your URL and saving it was a huge issue when using ClickUp Clips. But they just fixed it, and I'm about to show you exactly what changed in ClickUp Clips and why this might just be the push you needed to finally ditch Loom for good. Now, ClickUp Clips actually has their dedicated tab. If you're not seeing your clips on your sidebar, make sure you don't have to add it to show up in there. If you already see it, perfect. Look at that. Our collection of clips, easily accessible, easily linkable. It is all right in here. Now, with the AI upgrade and with the AI note taker, there is a whole bunch of different clips right in here. You have your video clips in here. This is when you are recording a clip within ClickUp, meaning you go right here, you say new clip, you record it, you do all the things, it ends up in here. This is also where your voice clips are housed, where your SyncUps are housed, meaning your calls, your team calls, as you can see right there, as well as your AI note taker. If we haven't met yet, I'm Yvonne Hyman, aka Evie from AskYvi, and after helping hundreds of digital entrepreneurs streamline their workflows with ClickUp, I've seen every frustration, every workaround, and every why doesn't this just work moment there is. And honestly, the ClickUp clip link issue was one of my biggest hesitations to fully embrace clips as your go-to recording tool. But with the changes that have happened, I'm going to walk you through exactly how to use ClickUp Clips, the most recent update, and how you now can integrate ClickUp Clips and save yourself from paying for yet another subscription. We now have a specific spot for all of our videos, for all of our audio recordings, for all of our video recordings, for all of our ClickUp AI note taker recordings. Yes! Can I get an amen for that? What a nice upgrade. How do we record clips? Please, if you are my membership, always record a clip, always send me a video because it makes it so much easier to understand something. And recording a clip is really simple. You just hit new clip. The first time you run this, come up with needing to approve a couple of things. You need to be able to share screen as well as allow clips to grab onto your audio or you won't have anything. So let's just do a video, and as you can tell, make sure you choose the right audio or no audio at all. That is possible too. And you hit record clips. As you can see, no, you actually can't see because it's out of the window where I'm screen recording. My Mac asked me, am I allowed to share your screen? Yes, please share my screen. And you go through the process of allowing your computer to share with clips, and it's going to start recording. As you can see already, I'm double recording now. Yes, with Loom and yes, with clips, so I can show you everything. And we can easily pause a recording and then continue a recording if you are having a little hiccup or something. Don't make your editor wait for you, simply pause it, and when you're done, stop the recording. As you can see, it has already processed because it is a quick and easy recording. There it is. The screen recording done. Now I haven't done anything on the screen, so you don't see a lot of movement. Actually, look, you can see my mouse hovering over my mouse and all the things. What that now does is we don't have to search for the URL anymore for any of our clips. It also allows us to easily and effortlessly have all our clips, have all our AI recordings, have all our AI voice recordings right here in Clips. And with that, I do believe you now have a perfect resource to dump your Loom subscription. We just did. We're gonna run out for the rest of what we paid for, and we're gonna be stop using Loom. Now, some of you might be, but Evie, you are not on the screen. Clips doesn't record webcam and puts that little gizmo on the bottom. First of all, a lot of people don't even show their face on screen recordings. I do, correct? It's coming. Yes! They are working on the webcam support during that recording. They're also working on trimming capabilities, better note taking, and comments too. Yes, and I might have checked in with the development team. It looks like the webcam feature on Clips is just around the corner, so we are not talking years. Let's give them a little bit of time to integrate nicely, and I have a feeling we're gonna see that really soon. If you're not on my newsletter, hop in there. I'm gonna let you know the moment I have more specifics on when the webcam drops or when I see the webcam feature. And with that, if you're ready to finally move from just scattered recording tools and all kinds of stuff to a fully integrated system that actually supports how your business operates. Remember, ClickUp AI can read and understand everything that is in ClickUp, which means transcriptions too. It is your turn now to jump into ClickUp Clips, go test it out, and here is my permission slip. You don't have to be perfect at this immediately. It doesn't have to be perfect. Start with one type of recording. Get your AI note taker. Play around with it. Systems thinking isn't about doing everything all at once. It is about creating sustainable habits that compound over time. Just because there's a new feature, just because there's a new shiny object doesn't mean you have to run after it. And now, if you want to see how I use ClickUp to run my entire business and my client's business, including how this Clips workflow fits into our client communication and project management, check out our playlist right here. You can find everything you need to make your business run on autopilot. Drop a comment below with your biggest ClickUp question. I read every single one and use them to plan future content that actually serves you and helps you get unstuck. I'll see you in the next one.